Okay, good morning to all. In the last lab, I think we have performed the practical 3, am I right? Student grade. Okay, I hope all of you have done and uploaded in the Google Classroom. In the Google Classroom, I have generated a few assignments. According to that, read the instruction. According to that instruction, upload each and everything before the time. Okay, now let's start with the new concept, that is the loops. So as you know, let's start with the while loop. As you know, in a while, first we need a initialization, that while and into bracket condition and body statements and increment or decrement operator. Similar way, in a Linux, in a shell script, initialization while space, instead of closing curly bracket, you need to write the square bracket here, condition, then instead of opening curly bracket, we need to write the do, and then here statement and increment or decrement operators, and last when we want to end this loop, at that time done. This is the syntax. This is the syntax for while loop. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another syntax is for loop. So as you know, the for loop, for init init semicolon condition semicolon increment or decrement, and then after opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. That's it. Inside you can write the statements. Okay. Similar way, Linux for double round bracket, then initialization, then condition, and then increment or decrement. And instead of opening curly bracket, should be do and statement, and then here it is done. So this is the example of for loop. Now another syntax for the for loop we have, but it has a limitation. It is a specific set of values. Let's see. For here, suppose variable. You can select. You can choose any name of variable. Variable in here you need to write the set of values. Set of values by putting a space. Then after do, then statement, and then done. The first and second syntax is easy for you because you are aware with this. Okay, so let me run the third one. for, suppose I am taking a variable a in here set of values, let's say 1 space 2 space 3 space 4 space 5. In the statement we are printing that variable echo dollar $a. Okay, and then done. Let's run it. Okay, so it will run as it is. Whatever we have given the set of value in same sequence, it will print. Suppose I am giving a value here in 2468, so it will display that thing 2468. So whatever set of value we have set, according to that it will give the it will print inside this statement. Okay, so these three syntax. Now you need to perform uh, write cell script to display 1 to 10 by using all loops. Okay, this is your task. Right, read. Write a shell script to display 1 to 10 by using all loops. So all of you perform the while loop, for loop, and another syntax of that for loop and perform 1 to 10. Okay, this is your task. Once you finish this thing, paste the message into a chat. Done. Your time start now. Once you finish, put a message into a chat, done, so I can get the idea how many of you have finished. Okay, good. Second, second sales script I'm posting in your chat. Those who have done, they can continue with it. Uh, Write a cell script to find maximum number out of three numbers. We have done it for the two numbers, but you need to do it for the three numbers. बाकी था ना कि कर दिया था लास्ट लैब में. It's remaining or done? I think it's remaining. Okay, few student have finished that thing. Okay, done. Okay, let me give you the one cell script. Okay, write a cell script for any pattern which you like. Pattern means pyramid which you have performed in a C language. Whatever you like, perform it and show me the output. सिंपल 1 स्टार 2 स्टार 3 स्टार 5 स्टार ऐसे करो या फिर डायगोनली करो या फिर रिवर्स डायगोनली करो व्हाटएवर. So from the next in the next lab we will go for the practical number 4. Right now you do this practice, perform the pattern program.